Hey guys, it's Oge from womanlycare.com.ng, and today I'll be doing something different. Today I'll talk about 4 awesome ways to make money online in 2020. So if you're looking to start making money online, you don't know where to start, you don't know how to go about it, this video is definitely for you. Do well to watch this video till the end. And talking about the end of the video, I have a little gift for you, those who watch till the end of the video. So do well to keep watching this video. Yeah, before we delve into the video, I just want to say that if you have not subscribed to this channel, do well to subscribe to this channel. Hit the subscribe button and make sure you ring the bell beside it so that you would always get notified whenever I post a new video, because the kind of videos I'm going to be dishing out these days, like, it will take your life to another level. Seriously, make sure you like this video and do share this video, because we need to make money in 2020. I want to start by telling you where the internet is now and where it is headed in the future. So according to the World Internet Statistics, there are about 4.5 billion people using the internet presently. As of 2019, Africa alone has about 526 million people using the internet today. So you can see the massive number, and it is even projected that by 2023, the people using the internet will be 5.3 billion. That's close to 6 billion. It is just a whole lot. So no matter what you're doing online, no matter the kind of business you do to make money online, by 2023, your business will definitely expand. As long as internet users grow and expand, your business as well will see exponential growth and expansion. So if you're really looking for a way to start making money online and you're thinking about it already, you're thinking well, because internet is the new gold. So the 4 ways you can start making money online are: number 1, the online stores. We've recently seen a boom in the e-commerce market. Like, the e-commerce business is becoming a serious business, like, it's killing it. Online stores are springing up here and there, the likes of the Amazons, the Kongas, the Jumias of Nigeria, and the rest of them. These people are making a killing. They are growing every day, they are growing every year. And just in 2019 alone, Konga increased its sales by 8 times. So the big online store, the Amazon, they are presently 160 billion naira. That is their worth right now as we speak, as at December 2019. So within these few months of the new year, it definitely would have increased. So, like, online stores are what you should think about if you like retailing. Personally, I know someone who started selling shoes online. Like, nobody told me. I know her personally, and she makes 15,000 naira daily. 15,000 naira, that's what she makes. And she actually uses this local post office to ship her goods straight to her customers' doorstep. So no matter where you want to start from, you could start from there. You could sell online on Facebook, you could sell online on WhatsApp, you could sell online on Shopify, depending on your pocket and how you want to start. But online business is really what you should think about if you like retail business. Number 2 is influencer marketing. Now, what I'm talking about here is providing a platform where you create value and people follow you. The blog, the YouTube, Instagram, these are platforms where people provide value to people and influence people, and in turn these people follow them. They subscribe to their channel and become their followers. And so people have large following. They have 10,000, millions of followers. Just the way I'm influencing you and providing value as well in this my video. Thank you so much for those who have subscribed to me, and if you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much. Now, companies are looking for these people, these influencers, because they want to place their ads in front of these followers. They want their products and services to be seen by the number of people that follow you. So what they do, especially on YouTube, is that these companies, they pay YouTube to place adverts on videos, and when YouTube place these adverts on your video, they give you a fraction of that money that the advertisers pay them. So you make money. Also, in the blog space, you can as well list out your spaces for ads. You can sell spaces for ads on your blog. That is how they also make money, and they make money as well through Google AdSense. And aside that, those who are on Instagram, they give shout outs. and you pay these influencers for the shout outs, they make money. And also, if you're an influencer as well or a content creator, you can also sell your own products, whether it's physical, whether it's digital products, you can sell your products. And the good thing about influencer marketing is that you can do your business anywhere. You can do it in your home, you can travel with your business no matter where you are in the world. As long as you have internet and your laptop, you can work. So seriously, if you're thinking about starting up a YouTube channel or a blog, you should think about it, because it's something that I love, especially for women. Like, I love women who work from home. I don't just know why, maybe because I do that, but I love it, and I'm going to encourage you and encourage women as well, because I'm going to start a training on how to YouTube for beginners, for dummies, those who don't know anything about YouTubing and just want to start a channel. So if you're interested in the YouTube training, I'll be having a class by the 1st of April on how to start a YouTube channel. I'm going to leave a link down in the description where you can get more information. Number 3 is information marketing. Information is very valuable. There's this saying that goes like, if you're not informed, you are deformed. Like, seriously, that training is true. People are making a killing selling ebooks, selling information, making online courses just to teach you something. And the truth of the matter is that people want to own their information. Yes, there are the Google, the Quora, they are all online platforms where you can get answers to your question. But people want to have this personalized information. They want to have it and they want to keep it, so that whenever they have the time, they can always go to that information and get what they want. As long as you can find a problem and solve that problem in your ebooks or your online courses, you are going to make money. That is one thing with information marketing. You get the right problem, you solve it, you write whatever it is you have to write, whatever topic it is you have to write, you write it well and you know what you're doing, you are going to make money. The likes of Stephanie Obi here in Nigeria, she trains people on how to create online courses, so you can totally check her out. I'll leave a link down in the description where you can check her out. So if you're really thinking about starting to make money online using ebooks and online courses, this is the gold. You are in for it, and I encourage you to do that. Number 4 is freelancing. If you have a skill and you don't want to do the 9 to 5, then you can make money as a freelancer. Companies are looking for freelancers to do jobs for them. Companies that are growing, they want to focus on other things that will grow the company, and skills like video editing, copywriting, social media manager, web design, programmers, these skills are what companies are looking to outsource so that they can focus on other things that can grow them. So if you have any of these skills, there are websites that you can get jobs from, like freelancer.com, upwork.com, fiverr.com. These are websites where you can go, you register, and then you wait for jobs. As long as you know what you're doing and you do it very well to the satisfaction of your customer, you keep getting repeated jobs. So you really need to look at it if you want to start making money online in 2020. My husband and I have a tech company where we build stunning websites and blogs for people. So if you're interested in building a website for your business or starting a blog and you want us to build a blog for you, I'll leave a link down in the description where you can contact us. And seriously, it's just at a little cost. It is very, very affordable. And for you who watch this video till the end, I told you that I have a special gift for you. And that gift is, I'm going to give the first person who emails me, I'm going to create a blog free of charge for that person. So the first person who emails me at galactronsystems@gmail.com, I'll leave the link down in the description, and the winner will be announced in my next video. So do well to check my next video. I'll announce the winner then. Thank you so much for watching this video. Remember to subscribe to my channel and give this video a like. Don't fail to share it. I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.